So today I'm going to show you how to use Lofted Cut. First, click top plane, click sketch, then click the center rectangle, sketch on the origin, click check, go to features, and click extruded boss or base. Let's edit the height, click check, and then sketch on the top, click sketch, click the ellipse and sketch in the center. Click check, and then exit on the sketch, right click the bottom, click sketch, and then sketch a center rectangle on the bottom. Click check, outside, click, and then click Lofted Cut. We already clicked the bottom, and then let's click the upper or top. Click check. So that's how you use Lofted Cut feature.